Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the stream. Good morning, G.
Morning, morning.
Morning. Everyone watching on YouTube, the voices you hear, I always give this disclaimer, are members of the Legacy Wealth Society's trading community. Good morning, Carlos.
Good
Uh,
morning.
so when you hear the voices, don't worry, I'm not talking to myself. Those are members trading live with me each and every day. Good
Morning,
morning,
Carlos.
gentlemen. How are we this
Good
morning?
morning. Good morning.
Man, I'm good. I'm chilling.
I
Chilling.
know you're
Chilling.
chilling. You were killing it yesterday, G.
Yes, sir. Let's see what today gonna bring.
Yep, it's crazy. I'm not going to say I told you guys so, but last week when we hit all-time highs, I said be cautious because the last time we hit all-time highs, the market went down like 1,000 points, and the market came completely down yesterday. Been coming down, so it's just one of those things where you don't want to buy at the top. You don't want to buy at the top.
Right.
What's up?
Let's get
Oh, one.
screen. Yeah, today's gonna be good. Be a good day though. I'm recharged, ready to trade, excited to trade. So we'll take it.
Market is
Up a little bit.
So G, for your account, because I know I saw what you put in the group, the 1690. How much more do you need to pass that eval?
Um, I gotta. I have to. How can I check that?
So all you need to do is either one, you log into your Tradeify account,
Mm-hmm.
and you'll be able to see what your current balance is, everything like that, and to make sure you're passing on like their goals as well.
Okay.
But their only goal is to make the 3 grand in the
Right.
account.
Okay.
And you can also on your Ninja Trader go to like your control panel
Mm-hmm.
and just look at your account, and that'll tell you how much is in your account.
Okay. All right.
Hey,
I'll do
Dwayne,
that.
send me that link later. The eval.
Which one? Which one?
Eval.
Okay. Honestly, all you have to do, hold on, I'll send it to you right now. Trade
You gonna text it or how do you send it?
Yeah, I'm gonna text it over to you in 1 second.
All right, cool.
I'm filling out a postcard. I'm going to send it right now.
Good morning, Steve. Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Hey, I can only stay on for a little bit because I gotta run.
You're good, man.
Morning, Steve.
Good morning.
You're good.
What's going on, man? We missed you yesterday.
I know I was camping, but it was cool. But I miss you guys too.
Ooh, man. It was a good day. Good day.
Beautiful. Glad to hear it.
So I'm sending this over to you, Carlos. It's going to be when you go on. It's going to be the 50K advance account.
Okay.
So just click pricing. You can literally just click pricing.
Let me click on it now.
Yep. Then you just click advance in the 50K account.
And then Dwayne, you know what I do is I go in and look at their like Tradeify coupon codes, and then they always have something.
Yep. Right now their code is August. So well, you just say AUG for the code.
That word up. That's my rap name.
Oh man.
So, Dwayne, go back. I click the link and it says get funded now.
So when you click the link, just scroll down
All the way down.
or just click pricing. That'd be probably easier. Just click pricing at the top. That'll take you down to the correct spot.
Gotcha.
And it'll
Alright,
say
got it.
choose account. You click advance, then the 50K account.
All right, 50. Yeah, it says 50K.
Yep.
356.
No, no. So you didn't click advance.
Advance. Okay. What is Lightning funded?
Uh, Lightning funded. You're paying to have a funded account right away.
Oh, okay, okay. Oh,
But
that's the other one you were telling me about.
Yeah, that's what I was saying not to do.
Yeah.
Because your consistency has to be 20%.
Okay. What was I gonna say? Listen, I see the 51, but I see the 100 for 10 extra bucks. So might as well do that, right?
I would recommend doing the 50K
Okay.
because you're getting the most bang for your buck. Because if you do the 100K, you then have to make $6,000 to pass
got
it.
Got
Where with the 50, you only have to make $3,000.
And then you still get funded anyway, regardless.
Exactly.
Okay. All right. Cool. But if you get funded with the 100, how much is more of the funding? Because the more funding, the more leverage you have. The more cushion they give you. Correct.
Yes,
So
you'll
it's
have.
about 10%.
You literally only get an extra $1,000 of drawdown.
Oh no, no.
You know what I'm
Okay.
saying? Like it's not worth it.
Yeah, no, that's not for to work double to only get 1,000. 1,000 is not much.
Yeah.
Okay, so select your broker, Trader Rate, Trading View. Oh shit, Trading View has it here. Oh damn. I like Trading View. It's so much cleaner.
Well,
I don't know what you guys trade on, but
we
View
trade
is
on
like,
Ninja, and that's through Tradeovate. So I like the Tradeovate because you could literally use the Tradeovate platform or Ninja, so it works for more people. But if you like TradingView, do the TradingView one.
Yeah, I love Trading View. It's so clean. And then all my charts are already here.
Yeah. Alrighty.
3 more minutes to the
Three
market.
more minutes. We're currently above the VWAP. We have been coming down through the overnight session.
Yeah, hold on, man.
Big dump yesterday on the market. So today we're just going to be patient and wait to see what the market actually gives us today.
CGQ platforms? What is CG? Select your broker, CGQ platforms.
Hold on, let me jump over there.
You want me to screenshot it so you can see it real quick?
No, I'll just click the...
Let me see my broker. Yeah.
Yeah, so... Yeah, the CQG platform. So that gives you literally Tradeovate, Ninja, and TradingView.
Okay, got it. Okay.
Yep. And just put in the coupon code August and you'll get the 30% off or whatever. So
Okay. And I should put the email that's correlated with my TradingView already.
It doesn't honestly matter. This email is just for Tradeify.
Okay.
I took another payout last night, gentlemen. Another 1670 last night for a payout from Take Profit Trader. Then the day before, took a payout from Tradeify. My account for Tradeify got reset. So each time you take a payout, you then have to like meet all the qualifications again, but you don't lose the money in your account. So now I just have to trade for 6 more days with Tradeify to take another payout from them. So
Okay.
My bad.
Okay.
But can you repeat that again? You got to pay out.
right? Yeah, I took a payout from Take Profit Trader last night, and then yesterday I took a payout with Tradeify.
Okay.
So I was just the breakdown for Tradeify, the way their payment system works. Once you take a payout, you then have to trade for another 7 days. Just meaning like their criteria, making $150 for 5 days, and then you can request another payout.
Okay. Trader rate. Oh shit, Trader rate's on this thing too. Oh, okay. All right, got it. Okay. All right, let me sign
Market is open. In no rush today. We gotta see what this market's gonna do.
Look at that. Up, down, up.
Yeah, we're gonna be careful, cautious.
I'm looking right at you. I'm not. I'll be home in the next 2 minutes. I'm looking at your screen. So
No, you're good. You're good.
Ooh, look at that tank. Oh, okay.
We're above the VWAP. We are above the VWAP. All right, now we just pushed below the VWAP. Not chasing waterfalls just yet, people. It is tempting to try jumping in here while the market continues to just sell off.
I'm trying to hurry up and get home. I'm right here though. I'm right here though. I'm good. No pressure.
No pressure. Be safe, man. Be chilling.
Like I want to take it, but it's only been a minute in, and I'm like, oof.
Ooh. It may shoot back up though. I feel like it's in between though, so it's gonna be up and down. I said up and down.
I feel like we're going to keep going down today. Being real with you, because the last time we were at all-time highs, we dropped 1,000 points. We have not dropped 1,000 points yet. So,
How much points did you drop yesterday? How much points did it drop yesterday?
I think yesterday was like 500 points or something like that, if I'm not mistaken, or more than that.
Another probably like another 400 or 500 points today.
Ooh, sellers stepping in hard here.
You're on NQ, right?
Yeah.
Hold on. I gotta go to your YouTube because I can't watch this here. Where's my other monitor? Give me a second, guys.
Yeah, you're good. You're good. All right, so we just tapped 362 there. The low from last night is currently 334 for the overnight session. This is where patience and skillfully waiting works, because it's only 3 minutes in. Market with the big dump so far.
But you know what I've been doing too, Duane?
Yeah.
I've been looking at the power bars in the pre-market, determine like what's gonna happen like in the early stages of the market.
Okay.
Pretty much. And sometimes like either the market does like either a big dip or a big, you know.
Yeah.
That's what I've been noticing on the
Well, one trick that you can always look at as well that I've noticed. Where's it at? So normally, let me go to my 1 minute chart here. Pull up just to confirm. Yeah, so what I've noticed sometimes, not all the time, sometimes the 925 candle will be the type of candle you get on for the open. So if it's red candle, that means it's going to be short. If it's green candle, it's going to be long for market open. Bear flag playing out. Man, this thing is moving today.
Exactly what I want to hear.
So I'm still going to be cautious. I took 2 payouts. If I add another 1,300 to this take profit account today, I'll take another $1,300 payout tonight. So just patiently waiting here, trying to see what we get.
Hey, Duane.
Yes, sir.
Is your bottom screen, is that the 1 minute?
Yeah.
Okay. And then your screen next to on the right of that.
That's the 5 minute.
That's the 5 minute?
Yep.
But that's not NQ. Or it is
Yeah.
NQ.
Yeah. These are all in queue.
Okay.
The only charts you'll ever see on my screen or NQ because that's the only one I look at?
The no, I asked because NQ on TradingView,
Mm-hmm.
it might be delayed then. Okay. Just want to
Well,
make sure.
I have TradingView pulled up on mine as well. It's right.
It's probably because you gotta pay like an extra. I gotta subscribe to the $2 extra to keep it on real time
Okay.
for certain ones. All right, cool, no problem.
Just, I want to jump in, fellas, but I'm being hesitant. Trying to have patience today. Yesterday we only made over $3,300 in the funded accounts, but trying to keep it moving in the right direction this week. And it's only Wednesday, so plenty of time. Let me get ready to start doodling. Keep me honest today.
Yeah, keep you honest, man. I want to see some doodle. That's F2, man. Hit F2 and go to town.
Well, luckily I already had them pulled up on my chart this morning. So when I had to doodle, I didn't even have to stop to hit F2. It was already just ready.
Well, that's good.
Sellers stepping in still. Wow.
You said like 32 was the low, right?
The 34 level. Oh, that's why. Silly goose. All right, now we're good. My trading view charts this morning, I messed them up somehow. I don't know what I did. So I had to reset everything. So I was just looking, oh, my 15-minute range box isn't currently printing. This is weird. I didn't click the right setting, but we're good now. We're good.
There was a time last week where I'd sign in just kind of looking at the market. We weren't trading, and it would stall. Like the Renkos would be like hung, but it came back on its own, thankfully.
Okay. Oh yeah, just so you guys know, the new couch for the office, the new entertainment center. This week I gotta just grab the 85-inch TV for the wall for back over here. I'm trying to make the office more aesthetic, appealing for everyone that watches. And yes, I'm gonna put a nice little plant over there for some extra decor, because we're special over here. We need some. I'm thinking about getting like a money tree.
Yeah.
Is the audio and music good for you guys? Not too loud? Is it good for you guys today?
It's good.
It sounds a real tight mix today. Nice.
We'll take it. I bet they did. Oh, my bad. I'm sorry. I just read a text message. So, yesterday, I reached out to a local business. I don't care if they see the stream. They're not watching currently. Cabana Live. My girl wants to go there for brunch on Sunday with her friends for her birthday. I'm like, cool. I called. Lady answers the phone, and she said, "Can I put you on hold?" I'm like, "Of course." Since I own a service business as well, I'm like, I get it. Puts me on hold. Never came back to the phone. I purposely left it on hold in the background just to see if they would come back. I hung up at an hour's time, right?
Oh my god.
An hour's time. And then I'm like, normally I don't leave reviews, but the fact that they answered and put me on hold and never came back. I felt disrespected as a customer.
Well, I mean, somebody should have walked by that phone within an hour. I mean, come on, what is it, the DMV or something?
So I left a review to see if I could get some type of action because we were going up there for a birthday party this coming Sunday. The owner responds to the comment, the review. You stayed on the phone on hold for an hour? Question mark. Laughing emojis.
Wow.
Best believe they're not getting our business now on Sunday.
What? That's crazy.
But my girl, she just texted me saying the owner deleted the post, deleted the comment, but I already have it screenshotted. Just craziness. Just craziness.
It is craziness.
So disappointing because it's like a little pool. They literally have a pool with cabanas around it, DJ, restaurant. So my girl and her friends want to go get brunch there, but yeah, very disappointing. But yeah, when they said you stayed on the hold for an hour, LOL, with the emoji faces too, I'm like, yeah, these people have no care for customers.
Yeah, I know, really.
Let's see. This market's just going down. We got that pivot point all the way down at the 320 level, 320. So we know that magnet's pulling, trying to pull this bad boy down since we're all the way down here currently. We have 3 more minutes for the 15-minute range. I got to pat myself on the back. I did not take any trades prematurely today. That's called progress, fellows.
Yep.
So let's see if we get another bear flag. With it pushing like that, it'll be hard to say we will currently. Look at that 5-minute wick on that candle as well. Bulls want to push. But will they have enough? That's the big question.
Ooh, that looks like a bull flag. Well,
I'm just patiently waiting. We have the lows down there at the 334 from the overnight. So I feel like we have to touch it. We can't come all the way down and not touch it. And then that's how I feel with the 320 level as well with that pivot point. It's like that pivot's so close. The market loves to touch pivot points. So I'm waiting. Let's see if we break. What's today's day actually? If we break the low here. All right, just broke the low, bounced up. This is the same type of action yesterday. We would hit the low at the time, it'll bounce up a little bit and then keep going down. So I'll close that trade. 420 right there. We'll definitely take that. We tap that pivot point as well. And we're still going. It is officially 9:45.
And you took that trade early.
I did take it.
Oh,
I
snap.
thank you for holding me accountable, Steve. Yes, I took that trade early.
I wouldn't have said nothing, but you kept going on how great you did, and all of a sudden you snuck it. You like scalped at the last second.
Let's wait to see what we get here. This is just crazy. With this still dumping from yesterday is wild. Let me close that. And then it's going to keep going. That's crazy. Should have held it for another split second there. All right, we just broke out of the 15-minute range.
Yeah, well, that thing is dropping. Oh.
Let's see if we retest the bottom of this 15-minute range here. That's what I'm waiting. I want to see us come up, tap it, give us another nice little bear flag.
So they hit like 322 and then like bounce off, right?
322.
Mm-hmm.
It would be right at, let's see what that's at. 298 for the low of the 15-minute range.
Well, come on, look like that. I see a bear flag.
Yep, we're waiting for it. We're waiting for it.
See, it's time to go right back up. I think it may touch that 300 and then shoot right back down.
We got these wicks on these candles letting us know that the bears are trying to push this price down. Just waiting for the bears to actually win the battle here. Almost at the bottom of that 15-minute range. Still waiting. Want to see the follow through here. We'll take that. We'll take that. Let's keep it going. Give me the waterfall.
What's our next target?
Next target Bear with me. Can't even look at that right now.
Don't give me no bull.
Woo! We'll take that. We'll take that. Woo! I'm sorry. Went down and draw down $1,500 there. Pulled it back to a profit of $520. I'll take that. Heart was racing. Next target right now is at 730. 730 for the next target. Once we get there, I'll provide another target for you guys. But we do have another pivot point all the way down at 166. 166, gentlemen. Yesterday, I went to the beach, and if I had not gotten off the stream at the time we did, the market just kept dropping. I would have made some really, really good money if I would have just waited. Still made good money, but would have been like twice as much. Let me rotate. Lock in that 520 profit on this one. And we'll just keep this going. We'll keep the train going here. All right, new target is underneath the pivot point is 163. So first target will be the 167 level. That's the pivot point. And there'll be 163 after that. Want a flag to keep it clean. So far this morning, we've had 1, 2, 3 bear flags this morning. So the saying definitely still stands. The patterns enjoy repeating themselves. So if you missed the first move, that's okay. Another move's going to happen, and it's because it's going to show. It's going to show us.
Okay, so real talk. Like I took the first 3 5-minute candles and drew a box around those. Isn't that the 15-minute average?
The first 3?
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be the first 15 minutes.
Because like it's saying 23,320 is the bottom of that, and so I was just curious how I got it so far off.
Let's do it this way. Let's come over here. Yeah, this market's just dumping right now.
Full number time.
Woo! Got out of that trade. $1,400 right there. Be careful, gentlemen. It just did an absolute ripper right there. Be careful. Be careful. I was not expecting it to rip like that. Wow. That just scared me. Not going to lie to you guys. That just scared me. The easiest thing to do, Steve, to be real with you, for the 15-minute range, just have a 15-minute chart pulled up. And you put at the open session at 9:30, however high it goes, you put it there and at the bottom of it.
All right.
Wow, that just I'll take it, but that just scared me. Not gonna lie. I like when the movement's consistent. That was just very dangerous. That could have gone ugly for me if it went in the opposite direction that way.
Okay, so we're consolidating right here at 23,167. Is this going to be a support, or we're going to blow right through it?
We gotta see how we react on that pivot point.
Yeah, that's
so if we push right through it, we're just going to keep trending down here. So right now that pivot point is trying to act as support to keep the price up. Keyword trying. The way this market's moving, gentlemen, we literally only need probably about 200 more points or so, and that would be the full $1,000 retrace from the all-time highs. That's just crazy. Just crazy. We may be getting another bear flag. Wanting to see what type of flag we get here on the 5-minute. Still, yep, there we go. The market's selling off. The market is selling off. Do not go long today, gentlemen. Do not go long right now. You be fighting the wave. Don't fight the wave, gentlemen. Unless you see a bull flag, do not take a long. Right back up to that pivot point. If you're going long, make sure you see a bull flag or solid momentum on the Renko bars. But the way this thing's been selling off, I gotta see a flag.
We're coming up on 10 o'clock.
Yep. And I actually broke one of my rules today. Well, not really a rule, but I did not check about news this morning.
So no news today. Three news events tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you, Steve.
Yes, sir.
Looking at the 2-minute here, looks like we're getting another bear flag. All that stuff's going. Let me. So this is the chart I'm looking at currently on my other screen. I feel like we're going to go back down, touch that pivot point. When we touch it, we got to be cautious and wait. Last time we went through it and reacted going back up. Let's see if we touch it. There we go. We just touched it. Let's see how we react now. This may be... this is probably going to be a key level for today. If the bulls can hold it around this price, we may try to go back up. But if the bears keep pushing down, we're going to keep waterfalling. But definitely consolidating on this level. So there's no rush. No rush. Yeah, I'm not touching this until we get away from this pivot point.
I'm at 860 for the day.
That's all. How much do you need more past that eval? because you don't want, once you get to the threshold, you don't want to keep trading your eval.
Okay. How you say to check it again? I mean, you said
So your control panel
on
Ninja Trader.
Okay.
It's where you can see your account and how much is in your account.
Okay, it's okay. I see the gross, realized P&L.
Yep. So what's in your gross?
It says on 860.
Okay. What's the account balance on though? Look to the left. Look to the left. It'll say 5 and then something else, like 50,000. So if you have
51,605.
Okay. So you need less than $1,500 more to pass that eval.
Right.
Very doable. Very doable.
Man, I was in that tape when it did that drop. I was like, oh.
I know that. Oh, I be doing those a lot too. Like, oh, what just happened? All right, still playing around this level. I'm waiting. Waiting to see who wins. The Bulls or the Bears don't matter to me. Currently up for the day, should be over $2,000 so far for the day, which would take my total for the week to over close to $6,000 for this week so far.
That's good. That's good.
Not saying that to brag, just saying if I could do it, you guys can definitely do it too, because I'm not no rocket scientist. Just being real with you guys. This is why we did not go short at that pivot point, because we want to see how the market reacts. And right now it's trying to push up, and that's fine by me. I just want to see if we could build out a bull flag. We do have those wicks on the top of those candles on the 1 minute and the 2 minute. So sellers are trying to step in still. But for me to take it short, I want to get through that pivot point first. I'm ready for my new couch to come. In my entertainment center. Gonna make this like the man cave, or close to it at least, because we're not in no cave. So, but especially get everything ready before football season starts officially.
Right. Where you getting the football? Where you getting the TV from?
I'm gonna be most likely getting my TV from Sam's.
Okay.
They always have really good deals since I'm a member over there.
Okay.
They had like it was either a 75 or 85 for like $6.98 currently.
I currently got a 75 right now. I had that 75 for almost 5-6 years now.
Okay. Yeah, I have a 85-inch in my living room. And we don't have TVs in all of the bedrooms or anything. 2 of the bedrooms, like I don't have a TV in my master, because for me, the room's only for sleeping. So never want a TV in there. Market's dipping down now. We're still pushing down. Wow. Through that pivot point. hit the low right there. Let's see how we react, because we normally bounce up a little bit and then we'll keep it going down. $420 right there. I wanted a little bit more follow through, to be honest with you guys. Well, beggars can't be choosers. Beggars cannot be choosers. Let me get my tally up, my total so far for the day. Because on days like today and like yesterday, it's so easy. It should be easier to take your trades, because the Rincos are showing if it's selling off, everything like that. I gotta go to Apple. My phone works so slow on certain apps. So currently up for the day, 26.96. Not bad, not bad. I'm excited for when we're on the streams and you guys are like, I'm up for today 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. That's the part I'm excited for, because I know it's coming for you guys.
Right now I'm up 250.
Well, right now I'm at 1160 for the day.
Keep checking your balance. Keep checking your balance.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
What happened?
It dropped.
Oh, I thought you were checking your balance. You're, oh my gosh, like something bad happened. Let me rotate once again. My landscaper here. Alrighty. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got crack-a-lacking. Yes, I said crack-a-lacking.
Man, that's old school. That's crazy.
Don't judge me. Don't judge. Let's see if we get another bear flag. The bear flags are definitely paying today. But like I said yesterday on the stream, the amount of money we're able to make in such a short period of time makes this better than anything else. Because yesterday I had a trade where I made like $1,000 within like less than 30 minutes of the market being open. And I'm like, good lawyers are charging maybe like 1,000 or less for an hour. We did it in 30 minutes yesterday. So it's like, gotta put things in perspective. This is better than being a good attorney at the end of the day. And we don't have to sit around all day to make our money. That's another good part about this. It's crazy. If we break into 22,000s today, just wild. Just wild. What a time to be alive. I will gladly take it.
You said on the Tradeify, Dave, you said go to Open Journal to see?
So
I'm on the Tradeify right now.
Okay, if you're on Tradeify, you can see what your balance was when you first started today, because you'll see your account right there.
Mm-hmm.
But you would have added more already. That's not going to be updated till about 5 o'clock today.
Okay, so that's probably okay.
Yeah, that's not your current balance in your
Oh,
account that you're looking at right now on
like, why did they
Tradeify.
update?
Huh?
I was looking. I'm like, why did they update?
Yeah, no, it updates. So Tradeify, their back office updates between 5 and 6 o'clock. So when you're requesting a payout, everything like that, you're going to request it after between 5:30 and 6 when their stuff updates. A bear flag playing on the 2-minute chart.
Mm-hmm. Ooh.
We hit that low again, but whenever we hit that low, it bounces it up just slightly. So that's why I don't jump in right away when we hit that low. Only because it normally bounces off before it keeps going down. Remember, we got that whole number right there as well, the 100 level. The 100 level. Crazy to say because we were up over 24,000 just last week. I am not upset about this account. That was an eval for Apex. So I have a bad habit. I up my contracts. I try passing it on one or two trades. I'm always going to do it. It is what it is. Didn't work out that time, but then it's going to probably start coming right back down to where it should have been going. Well, that's okay. Not mad, just gotta remind myself, can't get in too early.
Oh, there go my song. I'll take that 200.
Good job. Good job. So you should only be like $100 to $200 away from hitting that $3,000 threshold.
Right. I'm at 1445 right now.
For today.
Yep, for today.
Keep checking your balance on your Ninja Trader. just so that way you know when you officially hit that 3K mark. Because once you hit that 3K, don't trade it anymore. So tonight you can activate it to be a funded account.
All right, got you. So once I get it to about like 53, I'll be good, right? Pretty much.
You have to have 53,000 in the account or more.
Okay.
So once you hit 53,000, remember there's commissions and fees coming out of each trade you're taking.
Okay.
So that's why I'm telling you, keep monitoring your balance just so you know when you finally hit the 53,000.
Okay. All right. Okay.
All right. Oh, I pulled back just a little bit. This eval would have been passed on one trade. Let me just drop these contract sizes down real quick. All right, so that eval's done. So that will give me another funded account with Apex. This is just craziness, gentlemen. Just craziness. Last week I said, last time we hit all-time highs, we dropped 1,000 points. It looks like we're on our way to doing so once again.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see, where's our next pivot? All right, so we got a pivot all the way down at 22,910. Well, actually 908 for the next pivot point. That's just crazy. And best believe when we hit the lows, like all the way down there, if we retrace 1,000 points here, best believe the market will go back up. Serious rip right there. We got a little ripper. We're starting to get these wicks on the bottom of these candles here, where the bulls are trying to step in. let's look for excuse me there. So now I'm gonna start looking for potentially a bull flag. Looks like we may be getting one on the 2-minute. We're just gonna have to wait and see. See if we get a little bull flag to take us up to that pivot point. Like, I want to take another trade on this account because if I add another $700 to it, I could take another $1,300 payout today. But I'm also like, when I put those requirements in my head, I don't trade as sharply, I will say. So I have it pulled up just in case a move is undeniable to take. But gonna be patient. Only 10:23, gentlemen. We're killing it today. Up without the Apex account because that's not funded. So I don't count funded accounts to my daily profits, but up $2,600 a day so far. That pivot point's calling, saying, market, come back to me, come back to me. Yeah, that pivot point wants it. Let me get off this account. Just lock in the profits, Duane. Lock in the profits. Trust the strategy. Oh, well, I have. Okay, let's do. Starting to get these wicks on top of these candles. Just waiting to see what we do here. Me personally, I want that pivot point. That's just me. I may be biased right now. I like pivot points. They're consistent. David Nelson's good. He just texted me. That's who I was texting. I checked in on him, seeing if he's good. He's been on the road. So I know he hasn't been able to get on the streams as consistent as he would like. But he'll be back in the state come Friday, actually. So. Seller's trying to take it lower again. That's crazy. Close the trade. Oh, not no 20 contracts. Let's not do that. I hit the scroll on my mouse and it took it 20 contracts. Absolutely not. We're not doing that.
Take it. Show as you can.
Let me check. Oh, this is on the other one. I haven't logged in this thing in forever. Bear with me, gentlemen.
Hey, not for nothing, but that beard looks sharp on the camera.
So I got this guy. He comes to my house. Sometimes he's on time, sometimes he's not. That's for another conversation.
You know what's crazy? I think I ran into the same guy, and he told me that you're always late.
Your eyebrows look really sharp, man. It's like they've been cut down or something.
I believe the guy.
So I need. All right, let's do that. $50 more. We can do $50 more. Believe it or not, guys, Moose was on time this past weekend. He was on time. So, gotta give him credit when credit's due.
But tell him why, though. I slept outside the house.
He spent the night to make sure he was here on time on Saturday. So, if you want free security for your front yard, just call Moose. He'll come the night before.
I'll be there on time. Guys, sorry to cut it short, but I gotta go.
You're good.
I have a client.
You're good,
Guys,
man. Have a good one.
Good talking to you. Take care, guys. Good luck.
Later.
All right, now that he's gone, we can really have our conversations now about him.
Oh my goodness.
I'm not done yet. Bye.
That's why I said it.
No. Bye. Later.
All right, Carlos. All right, looking for another bear flag. Let's see if we get one here. I'm excited.
Me too.
Steve, how are you doing so far? Are you still up today?
Yeah. I'm up at 320 right now.
Hey, 320 is 320.
And I'm deliberately like watching the flow on things. I'm not like jumping in because I just want to put the wrinkles with everything because that's the heartbeat.
Yeah, that is.
And I am about to make an eye appointment so I can get like just close up glasses.
Okay.
I'm not looking for a bifocal like through. Because I have some store-bought ones, and I could see like a lot better the screen, but it's like you need them to be dialed in.
I'm feeling it today, gentlemen. Not gonna lie, I'm feeling it. I've been like the past like this week, I've just been feeling different. Feeling different. But I guess for me personally, with how the trade's been going for me, everything like that. Granted, I've been doing this now for officially a year, consistently, trading each and every day. But last August, I was trying to learn. You know, I was in the same shoes as you guys, trying to figure this out. So I spent from last August till about December of last year trying to figure out what works, what doesn't work. For me, I was never looking at having other people trading the strategy I put together. But not since December forward, everything's just like clicked. You know what I'm saying? Like each day, each week, I'm still learning just like yourselves. Learning how I could be sharper, better, the whole shebang, you know. And you guys are always going to be learning as well. Like for me, one thing, Steve, I know you weren't on Monday, you popped in real quick. The thing that I learned from last week for myself was being a little bit more patient, because I was taking trades that were the correct trades, but I would take them like one candlestick early. So for me, I've tried holding that urge from just clicking the button for an extra couple seconds, extra minute before taking it, just so that way I'm actually getting the full move that I wanted, you know. But no, I'm just thankful it's working for you guys, thankful that it's working for myself as well, because this is literally what I want to be doing for the rest of my life. That's just me. That's my little 2 cents for the day.
No, I totally get it. For me, I've been just kind of reassessing, you know, kind of because I'm so used to trading the other way. It's almost like I just gotta like, even though I put it aside, like I rewatched that one video and then and took notes, and it's just like really just to let myself fix all of your training and none of mine. You know what I mean? And not fall into any pattern because I'm used to using that pattern. If that makes sense.
Yeah. So for you, I know you're up for the day. What do you feel like? You don't have to get too personal if you don't want to. What do you feel is holding or been like holding you back so far? I know you're up for it today and that's great, but what do you feel in the past, because you're a new man today? What do you feel in the past was holding you back?
No, the deal is what's holding me back is like the opposite of what you were just saying. Like I'm watching for the move, and then it's just like I see them happen, and then it's like, ooh, you know. So it's like, you know, kind of, you know, what I realize I need to do after it kind of comes back is just really just dial in on candles and then confirm with the wrinkles.
Yeah.
And so, you know, and it's just like, I know that we said that, and I know it's a concept, but I need to put that in me. I need to reproduce that
Yeah.
more. And then, like I was saying, it's trivial, it seems like, but I have like a linear, non-linear bifocal, so it's like like my reading part is the lower part of the lens.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna get glasses that just have the same. You know, if I look at the top of the screen, it's sharp. If I look at the bottom of the screen, it's sharp.
Okay.
So, you know, and you know, I mean, that's just will help me have that. You know, so I'm not like bobbing my head around, like trying to see everything. But it's coming. I mean, like I said, I rewatched that video, and it's like I have no problem. You know, I mean, on some level, you always don't want to be like the Kale and Charlie, but if it takes me an extra couple of weeks to get all the grafting done, I'm good. Because, like, you know, I feel like this is coming to my life at this time for a reason, and I'm going to make it work. And it's just, you know, I'm learning it for myself, and it's just like, I got next, man, because it's like
100% for you. Just so you know, and this goes for everyone watching the YouTube stream, just everyone. It takes different people, different time frames to learn this stuff. Because for me personally, I put it together to get to the results that I'm getting now. It took me a year. So don't feel rushed. And the best thing for you guys is I'm giving you like the cheat sheet to be successful with this. So don't ever feel bad about yourself or anything like that if it's not working right away for you. Because this is literally a skill. Like Michael Jordan, when he first played basketball, he didn't make the team. But he went into his office, the basketball court, kept practicing. They don't say he grew like 7 inches over a summer, which is crazy. But he kept practicing, sharpening his skill of basketball and his craft, and that's how he became successful. So you guys showing up each and every day, you're sharpening your skill, you're sharpening your iron. And that's what you have to do to be successful with this. And one of the things, Steve, for you, remember, the candlesticks are there just to show us the pattern. That's it. We're just looking for the pattern. Do you feel confident in seeing the pattern currently?
Oh yeah. I can see the pattern. You know, it's like, you know, I yearn for the A++ setup like you see, but I can see the consolidation. I can see, you know, I'm drawing, I'm doodling, you know, I'm seeing things. So it's just a matter of, you know, for me, like seeing it, and it's just like, oh, there it goes, and it's like I didn't, you know, but so, or it's like then you try to jump in late, you know, trying to recover.
So you're chasing it.
Yeah. But like I said, there's one thing that you know, being part of this group, the support, and just like the mentorship is huge. And it's just like I say, I've been trading, you know, just in the market for over 25 years. So, you know, there could be just, you know, even though I say I renounce that thinking, you know, I mean, it's like I got to just figure there's something completely different and just, you know, strip at any like preconceived notions that I have and then just go. So but I thank you for, you know, giving so much of yourself in this, because, you know, you come up with a system, and I know I have the support, and like I say, like, you know, I mean, pride aside and all that, it's like if it takes me an extra couple weeks to, you know, get to a level that I'm more comfortable with, that a level that I set for myself, then a couple weeks is gonna be good, because $320 is better than I would have made, you know, just doing anything else in an hour.
Yeah.
So, you know, or 45 minutes when I traded that out. So, you know, it's like looking at that scale and then just realizing the repetition and just seeing, like I said, it did me really good to rewatch that one video, the one that you remade.
Yeah.
and then just to kind of like it's like reading a chapter again, or in Psalms or something. It kind of puts it back in. Okay, there it is.
Yeah, I tried with that video, that remake for that video. I tried making it more concise and to the point. So I took out, because I replayed the last one I did before that one. It was good, but I felt like I had too much fluff in it.
Well, like on the one that you have, I would, I already talked to you about the one
Yeah.
title. I would take that if you have like on your drive, punch another title in, and then you could like tighten like a minute and a half or two if you just wanted to be ultra concise. But it was spot on. It was double dynamite. It moved. It was like so. I mean, just like you've done in trading, doing this every day, that's no mean feat. That's no easy thing to conduct a training to a camera. So I commend you with that, because like a lot of people go, oh, that's nothing, but believe me, it is. So.
I appreciate that. I appreciate that. I just want to see you guys win. That's all this is.
Well, no,
So,
I'm not. I'm just gonna tell you this, man. It's like, if I ever get frustrated at this point, it's because I'm here to win too, and some things haven't lined up in the past. But just odds and ends. But then I've been kind of working on what I've seen and what I've done. That's kind of more risky, and I'm cutting that out. And you know what? It's gonna be all good.
that it will be. That we know it will be. It's crazy. It's only 10:43.
It feels like we're trading a lot longer than that. Like the session.
Where's my calculator on this bad boy? Solid day. We'll take it. I'm still working on getting. I gotta get some more Tradeify accounts actually, funded accounts, with them. But I'm trying to get my 5 total take profit accounts. I want to do 5 take profits, 5 Tradeify accounts, and I'm debating if I do 5 Apex accounts as well. So I would have a total of 15 funded accounts once I pass the evals, all that stuff. Total that I could be earning off of. But I would copy trade, but I will only do like 2 or 3 accounts at a time. I'm not copy trading all those at the same time. That would be crazy.
Yeah.
My heart would be racing too much.
Well, just it's like the 20 contracts, man. You're all in, man. It's like you gotta.
Well, actually, trading that amount, I could literally trade just 1 contract.
Yeah. All right, yeah.
1 contract per account, and we let it ride. That's not a bad idea.
Oh no.
Gee, how you doing over there? You still good? Oh, big dump, big dump. Nothing better than looking at the wrinkles and seeing this big line like that. I think it's easy to see what's happening.
Yep.
Go to the gym today. I gotta get to the gym earlier.
I think a bull should be playing coming through.
No, I'm looking for a bear flag, sir. We're below the VWAP.
Okay.
And just to be real with you, the way it just dumped down like that, I'm looking for a bear flag. Since we got the pole, let's see if we get a little push up to keep this thing coming down. We are only 43, well, no, 60 points away from the 22,000. That's crazy. We were just up at 24,000 last week. Man, oh man.
Going up.
If we break 23,000 today, I honestly wanted to hold off until tomorrow to break the 23,000. Give us another really good trading day. And we have news tomorrow as well, so.
There was 3 news events. It was like 8:30, 9:45,
and 10. Yep. Come on. Let's see what happens. 12 more minutes till 11 o'clock. Patiently waiting for a move here. Where's our next pivot point? 910. Well, 908 for a pivot. We get through that 42 level. That's the low for today. Oh no. Consolidating right here. That 42 level definitely wants to be tapped. Let me close that. And then it goes right back. I gotta work better on when to hold and when to fold. That's the one thing that I am working on myself these days. Folding early so I can re-enter a trade when the time's right. Tap that low again. Should I get another Tradeify account?
When you put a new one on, how long does it take to like refresh in your Ninja Trader?
So you just have to disconnect once you get like the email.
Oh, so you like disconnect and then reconnect?
Yeah, you just disconnect for me, I have multiple platforms open on my Ninja. So it's always, I just disconnect the one for Tradeify. So I don't have to disconnect everything.
Yeah.
Oh, they're only $30 right now. That's crazy.
Are they having a sale?
I believe so. Right now, the evals for Tradeify, the 50K accounts, are only $30.
What is the password for that? Or the
AUG, AUG.
Oh, the AUG still open.
Yep. Because with them being that cheap right now. Advance. I'll just add a couple. Oh. Okay. I thought I finalized a thing without putting the code in. I want my $10 off, man. Gee, I'm glad you love this track, man. For real. Well, I just got 3 more Tradeify accounts. Let me disconnect so I can load them in.
Oh, you bought 3 more, right?
Yeah, 3 more Tradeifys.
Just having like numerous accounts, pretty much, right? So on one account, you just whenever you make that your amount, go to the next, and then
Yep.
got you. Right.
So you're never putting at risk one
Right, your
account.
One account. Got you. Damn, boy, it is dropping, boy.
I don't want to keep saying I told y'all so last week. Like I said, I got a whole video saying I'll be cautious. Last time we were up here, the air got real thin and it just started going down. And what I like too about having multiple accounts, even having like a couple evals just on the back burner whenever you need them, is whenever you feel itchy to just take a trade and you want it to count for something, I switch to an eval. So if I'm ever itchy, like super itchy, and I need to take a trade, I'll put the eval on so I'm not risking a funded account. Because your funded accounts, that's real money. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're not trying to risk that.
So pretty much after the eval, then that's when they put you in the actual funded account.
Yep. So once you pass your eval, like say you pass yours today at 6 o'clock, you'll get the congratulations, passing your eval, and then you'll just go through the steps to activating your funded account. So they transition your eval into a funded account.
Okay.
And with that, you would pay a 125 one time to activate the funded account.
Oh, just a one-time? Oh, okay.
That's the activation fee.
All right, okay.
And the whole thing with this is as well, if done properly, you're going to put in $175, give or take, just about $175 total. And you could literally take out within your first month of your funded account $1,500 for your first payout. Your second payout $1,750. Then after that's like $2,000. So in your first month, you can literally take out minimum $1,500. So you literally flip that 175 into 1,500. That's called, and I always would hear it growing up, you have to have your money make babies. That's what you're doing right there. You're making your 175 have babies. 1,500 babies.
Right.
Big family.
Hey.
Big family.
Hey, we'll take it. That went instant against me. I was in profit for like a second. What did I miss? No. But I just blew that eval. being reckless, but it is what it is. It was only $30, so.
Right. Mm. That could have been a great short for a buy.
No, I'm waiting for this candle to finish on the 2-minute. Because I feel like we're getting a bull flag right here. But I just wanted to print on the 2-minute. See if we get some structure. Looking at the 2-minute for the bull flag.
All right. Hey, Duane. So I checked. So I'm over 53,000.
So you're good. Stop
Yeah.
trading.
I'm done. I'm done for the day.
Congratulations, sir. Congratulations. Super happy for you. Super happy for you. On your, let me check. I'll check for you. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so as long as your balance, your total balance for the cash value on your control panel says over 53,000, you've officially passed your eval with Tradeify. And I don't recommend you trading that anymore for the day. Just so that way you can pay tonight to activate your funded account. So tomorrow you could be trading your funded 50K account with Tradeify. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Good job. Steve, you're next. You're next. You're the next one up.
All right.
So you said about today to pay that 120, right?
You don't have to pay it today, but if you want to trade your funded account, you'll have to pay to activate it. And that bull flag that I called out
Just happened.
There you go. I can't say always know what I'm doing, but 85% of the time I'm correct when it comes to trading. And what's crazy is, when you guys take your first payout, you guys will literally be in the 7% club, because on average, between 1 to 7% of traders that trade with prop firms actually get a payout.
Wow.
So think about that. So 93%, if we're using the 7% of prop firm traders actually get payouts, 93% of traders don't get a payout. That's crazy. We're going to be changing those numbers. No, our whole community is going to be taking payouts. So everyone's going to be in the 7% club. I'm going to have to get shirts made for people when you guys get your first payout. We'll say 7%. And 7's like the perfect number as well. So I'll say with the 7.
7. Yes.
Yes, sir, man. Proud of myself, man.
I'm proud of you, G.
I'm proud of you too. A lot of pride around here right now.
Question for you, G.
Mm-hmm.
How many evals did it take for you to get that one passed?
You really want to know?
I gotta know, sir. I gotta know.
All right, three.
Okay.
3.
Hey, that's okay. That is okay. But you see why I tell people trade the sim, feel confident in that before switching to the eval.
That's what I'm on the sim now.
Yeah. But that's okay. But think about it like this. So you're going to be invested probably just under $300, give or take.
Mm-hmm.
But you're going to be able to still withdraw a $1,500 payout on your funded account once you get to the threshold.
So on the funded account, what how much do we have to do then when we get to the funded account?
Okay, so in the funded account, you have to hit $2,100.
Okay.
So $2,100 to be qualified to take a payout from your funded account.
Okay.
Then after you hit that $2,100, well, not after, but through that process of getting to the $2,100, you can literally you have to make $150 for 5 days. So Tradeify, you have to trade for 7 days for a payout. So 7 trading days. So if you trade Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, that's 4 trading days. Okay. And that's how it counts. It's not for the week, it's per day you're trading. So set 5 days, $150. You have to trade for 7 days total. You can trade for longer to get to the $2,100. But once you get to $2,100, you can request a $1,500 payout. But here's the whole thing. Since you invested already, going to be investing about $300. I recommend, this is just me, you don't have to listen. Okay. When you can request your first payout of $1,500, just do it. Even because when you request, if you're only at $2,100, it's going to drop your trailing drawdown to like only $600 after the $1,500 comes out.
Okay.
That's okay. You may end up blowing that account, but you will have flipped your $300 to $1,500. So it's still profit for you. All right. I recommend when you can take a payout, just take the payout, because you could take a bad trade tomorrow and blow up the account. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So when you can take the payout, just take the payout and just do it that way.
Okay.
Because the money does nothing for you if you can never take it. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
And off that $1,500 you get, it's a 80-20. You get 80% of it.
Mm-hmm.
But even with that, you're still in the green. You can still buy a whole nother eval and funded account and go that way. So you recoup your money on the 3 evals that it took you to do. You recoup how much you pay for the activation fee. Get the money, then flip into a new account if you blow the other one after you get your payout.
Right.
But the goal is to build your accounts. But when you're first starting off, when you see $1,000 payout go into your bank account, it does something to you.
I know.
That does something to you. We're like, oh, $1,000. I need another 1,000, and that'll keep you dialed in and motivated to keep trading better and consistently.
I'm motivated now. I'm motivated now. It's like now, pretty much I just have like a little, set schedule before the market even opens. I do is like, I'm doing with the transportation. So I just do my rides, get them out early in the morning, and then I'll come straight home, trade like to about like 11, then chill.
Yeah, but here's the best thing for you, right? Wait till you have the option to be like, do I go out and do some rides a day?
I'm starting to feel like that now a little bit, Like,
you need the money in the bank account first.
Right.
But once you see that flowing in, you'll be like, huh? Do I really need to do that? Like, listen, I'm gonna be completely transparent with you guys. You guys on YouTube as well. Completely transparent with you guys. Gotta talk to you. I've started multiple businesses. Not all of them were successful.
Right.
To the level that I would like. So for me personally, my security company, that's a 7-figure business. We'll take that all day long. Been in a 7-figure business for the past 7 years. Each year, annually. Easy 7 figures. So that being said, I've always been under the mindset of having multiple streams of income. So I started a pressure washing and soft washing business. Did really good at it. But it's Florida. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot in Florida. My biggest day pressure washing was a $12,000 day. And that was on a commercial property. Great money. Great money.
Dang, what?
But for me personally, I knew my time could be served somewhere else.
Right.
To create more money. So off of that, I started a trailer rental business. I was renting out car haulers. I got a Mac Daddy one, renting that out. And I would charge like during the week $100 a day to rent a trailer out. People will rent it, bring it back, rent it out to another person, and that's how you would make your money. My first month doing that, I made about $1,200, but that was like between 12 rentals. But I would have to go meet them. So I was investing at that time about 30 minutes each way. Okay. 30 minutes for a drop off and pickup. So an hour a day for $100 for the day. I'm like, my time's worth a little bit more than that. Granted, it's a good business. Anyone can do it. It's super simple, especially in Orlando. Not many people do it. But I'm like, man, the time I'm investing in this, I'm not getting enough back from it. So for me, when I figured out the trading last year, I'm like, I'm not pressure washing. I stopped pressure washing. I have a whole Mac Daddy rig for pressure washing, soft washing, roof cleaning, window cleaning, the whole shebang. I'm getting ready to sell my trailer because I'm no longer going to be doing it because I'm making more from the trading than I was with the pressure washing and the trailer rental business combined. So for me, who started multiple businesses, trading is the best thing anyone can do. And I'm trying to get to a point where I'm making more from the trading in my pocket than I make from my security company. So that's my goal currently. I'm trying to make from trading, if I could make 15 to 20 grand in the physical pocket, not in the trading account, in the pocket, 15 to 20 grand, your boy may be looking at selling a security company, just saying. And that's just, that's it. This is it for me. We had a bull flag play out, heading up to that pivot point, which I called out earlier. That pivot wants to be touched. And sure enough, she's about to be touched.
The light is going back up, up, up.
We got to see how it reacts on this pivot. I got probably about another 12 more minutes. I got to get off. I got to get to the gym. Because the gym I go to got crazy busy because UCF's back in session.
Oh, yeah.
So a lot of college kids go to the gym I go to. I went on Monday. It was just wild. It looked like a whole zoo, to be real with you.
Damn.
Let's see how we react on this pivot. Let's do a little retest. See if we can get a good entry. If we're going to keep pushing up. There's the pivot once again. The Bulls want to push this up. Consolidating right here. I love it. I love it.
Ooh. I'll take that 390.
Yep, not in your. Don't trade that Tradeify account.
Oh no. I'm on the sim.
Hey, I'm gonna keep saying it. I'm gonna keep preaching it. Trust me, I've learned the hard way, so I'm trying to help people not do the mistakes I made.
That mistake. Oh yeah, trust me. Woo. As soon as you said it, you said, "Listen, don't trade anymore," and I'm sticking to that. I am sticking to that.
We got the VWAP up there. Let me get ready to close this trade in a second here. I feel like that VWAP wants to be touched, but I want some better follow through. Let me just get out of that for right now. We got the VWAP up at 240 currently for the VWAP.
All right, fellas, man. I'm about to go handle some business.
All right, man. Have a good one.
All right, Steve. Duane,
Hey, I'm
going.
Hey, so Duane, I'm trying to put my my eval account back on the dashboard.
Yeah.
And so I disconnected. I went back and then reconnected, but I'm not seeing it. Is there anything?
Just give it another couple minutes, and then it should populate. So you'll disconnect from it, and then go right back to it. And it should be there.
All right.
See what we got over here. Yeah, I see that VWAP getting touched. Just went through that 200 level. We know how the market likes to react on those whole numbers.
Mm-hmm.
So waiting to push away from it just slightly to potentially jump back into the market here. Getting stuck right here. Finger on the trigger just in case I need to close it real quick. Trying to see if this is going to give us a bull flag. Oh, I'll get out of that. Not going to give back all the profits that I just made. Looks like we're going to get a bull flag here, but not trying to hold all the way and draw down on it. Let's see what we get here.
I'm stuck in a tech loop of trying to see if this account's going to show up, so I'm missing this.
Have you tried connecting back to it again?
Yeah, I did. And it's just showing the sim again. So I'm gonna. I'll try it again. Disconnect. My Ninja Trader. Yeah, it's not showing it. It's showing my sim.
Okay. Trying to think here. That's weird. And it's active on your Tradeify dashboard, the account?
Yeah, evaluation active. Trading days 0 out of 1, and it's just sitting there. I'll try, after we trade, I'll shut everything down and then try to come all the way back up. Maybe that's it.
Normally, that could be, but normally you just have to disconnect and reconnect for that account to repopulate.
Yeah, lucky me, right?
We'll see. I'm actually going to get ready to get off here. Come up on this 11:30 time frame.
No, you can do your thing, baby. I'll keep you posted in the group if I can't get back on, and then maybe you have another idea or something.
If it doesn't, we may just need to send a ticket to Tradeify.
All right. Sounds good, baby.
All right, man. Just keep me posted.
I will. Thank you for everything.
No, of course.
All right, bye.
All right, bye. For everyone watching on the YouTube stream, thank you for tuning in today. I definitely appreciate it. And I will see you guys tomorrow at 9:20 a.m. to repeat the process. That's all this is. So be blessed. Have a good day. Stay safe in the markets. And we'll see you tomorrow.